The Jeep just came back from a rental, but before the next renter picks it up, there's a lot of things that need to be done, including cleaning it, inspecting the rooftop tent, checking all the gear, and looking for damage, and making sure everything is ready for the next trip. This is actually, one of the best times to really get in detail and inspect the vehicle, especially while cleaning it. I'm looking for stains and other things like that, but I'm also looking for damage and missing equipment. And of course, anything that the previous renter might have left behind. Things like socks and underwear, food, things like that. First I just vacuum out everything and then, get the tires, make sure everything looks tip top. So these music festivals, a lot of times they'll have these credential passes that they stick on the vehicle. These are always sometimes tricky to get off. It's off, but now you got all this residue back on there. So what I do is, I use this air freshener. Ironically, I saw a guy use this one time and it works great. You just spray it on there and let it sit for a couple seconds. And then you can start like moving that stuff right off. So I used to use that like Goo Gone and all that stuff, and this tends to work a lot better. Don't know why, but it does. And it leaves a citrusy, fresh scent. I guess that's a double bonus. Once I scrape off all the glue, and before using Windex to clean the windows, I just use a little bit more of the air freshener to spray on and wipe off the residual glue that's left behind. And that seems to clean it off a lot easier. And then we're good as new. Lastly, I go through all the cooking utensils and making sure everything is in working order. Check the stove, make sure it's in working order, and making sure it's free of any food or anything left over in. And that's pretty much it. Throw the ladder inside, collapse the tent down, making sure to tuck in all the fabric on the perimeter, and then clamp it down in the rear. Do the same for the fabric, and then give it one last clamp down from all the straps, and it's ready to go out for the next rental.